Hey, fourth graders. So, your second and last video for today. As we get on Zoom together this afternoon, we will be finishing Island of the Blue Dolphin. That's so super exciting. So, you're going to notice this week that a lot of your morning work for ELA, language arts, is going to focus on your IBD work packet. So I'm going to share my screen because I wanted to go over a couple of the pages, actually 3 of the pages that are in your assignments for today. Okay, so here's the first one. You're going to need, let me show you the cover of this. You should all have this activity packet, Island of the Blue Dolphins. Okay, and unfortunately, our pages are not numbered, but this one is kind of towards the beginning. It's called Cause and Effect. This is one that's labeled in your daily lesson plans. And in the directions, it says in the boxes on the left, read about 3 story events. I'm not sure why it says chapters 2 and 3. It's clearly not. It's chapter 4, 8, and 20. So please ignore this part. In fact, I'm going to cross this out. You're basically going to be reading the causes that have already been written for you. And in the boxes on the right, you're going to write 3 effects because of the thing that happened on the left. So a cause is something that happened. So you say because a battle occurs between Karana's tribe and the Aleuts, what effects came out of that? Meaning what 3 things happened because of this battle? Okay, use your book if you have to go back. This was in chapter 4. Chapter 8, you probably remember the wild dogs killed Karana's brother Ramo. Because this happened, what were effects of this? That means after this happened, what were 3 things as a result? And those are the effects. So you're going to list those 3 things. This was chapter 8. Same thing for chapter 20. Another Aleut ship arrives at the island. So this was the cause. Because this happened, then what? What were 3 effects because of this? And that was chapter 20. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Then the pages for today, they're right in order. So the next page right after cause and effect is character changes. And it looks like this. You get to focus on Karana. So you can draw a picture, add some color, make it look nice. You can decorate the little frame. Draw what you believe she looks like. You can use the cover of your novel. Decide how you're going to show her. Okay. Then to the right, this says conflicts she faced. That means problems, things that came up for her. So think about some of the most, like the biggest conflicts, the biggest things that happened to her that caused problems for her. And then finally, you have quite a bit of space for the bottom. How did these conflicts change her? So again, it goes along with cause and effect. Because these things happened to her, she was faced with these problems and challenges. How was she changed? So maybe she began to act in a different way. She had to live differently. Think about relating her conflicts to how she changed. And you're going to write about those. And finally, your last page. I think you'll like this one. Let me take off my sticky. This is character notes. So on this, sorry, it's kind of fuzzy. It says use this page to take notes about the characters in the story. So we're in a good position because we've got 1 chapter left. So we know, and I hope you can remember these main characters. You do not have to write complete sentences, but I want you to take some notes about each. I would expect that you can write at least 3 to 4 things about each of these main characters. Feel free to do little points. Sometimes I do them like that. Feel free to number them. Or you could even do stars or another little symbol so that I can see what your points are about each of these main characters. Okay, so you're going to be working on these 3 pages today, and then you'll have some more that we'll go over later. All right, have fun with these. I'll see you later to finish the book.